Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Magic squares. I hope you must have heard about them and you must be knowing that they contain a grid wherein you place some numbers and the sum of the numbers in a row along a column or along a diagonal, that comes out to be same. Now, you must be knowing some of the magic squares, but do you know how a magic square is constructed? So, you have something very, very interesting to learn here. And after watching this video, you will be able to construct a magic square containing 9 numbers, that is a 3 by 3 grid, or a 5 by 5 grid, 25 numbers, or maybe 7 by 7 grid, 9 by 9 grid, 11 by 11 grid, that is odd number of rows and columns. Now, the logic is very simple, and the pity is that this logic is not found anywhere in books. So you need to watch and try yourself and convince yourself that you know how to construct a magic square yourself without having to cram the magic square. Right, friends? So first thing is, I'm going to do a magic square of 3 by 3 grid. Like you can see the grid which I have drawn here. It's a 3 by 3 grid, and I will take up the numbers from 1 to 9 and just place them here, and I'll show you the row total, the column total, and the diagonal total. Okay. So now the first thing we have is the placement of the numbers. So I'm going to place the numbers first, and then I'm going to tell you the logic. Now the logic is really important. Okay. See, I have not crammed it up. I know the rule. That is why I am able to draw it so quickly. So place 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. See, I took only 10 seconds to write all those 9 numbers. That too, the time was only for writing the numbers. And let us check whether this is a magic square or not. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 15. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 2, 15. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 4, 15. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 5, 15. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15. 6 plus 11, 6 plus 5 is 11, and plus 4 is 15 again. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15 again. See, everywhere it is 15. Now, do you know how this logic works? And I am going to decode the logic for you now, and I will tell you how this logic works. But before telling you the logic, let me tell you about the ultimate guide to speed maths, which comes in 2 volumes. And I tell everybody this is a must. If you are a school student, studying in class 5 and above, preparing for maybe JE at 11th and 12th level, or in college, or in even at professional level, preparing for some quant aptitude exam, SSC, UPSC, this amazing combo of books, volume 1 and volume 2, is a must for you. School students, you got to study from this right from the beginning, so that you can develop those tendencies which will help you in cracking the competitions in future. How to get a copy, I'll tell you. The Amazon links are given in the description of this video, and WhatsApp number is given here. You can copy it from here. I'll show you the titles. See, this is volume 1, which contains video links also. 2400 practice questions. This is the inaugural edition. Very, very ideal for students, aspirants, and mathematics enthusiasts. So if you want to learn some short and smart tricks and to calculate 10x faster speed with easy language and easy comprehension, this book is a must for NTSC, school exams, railways, banking, all competitions. This is volume 2, which consists of all the word problems, maybe age, train, time and work, speed and time, all those things, and 1300 practice questions with answer key. I'll show you a glimpse of the book. See, this is volume 1, and here we have the volume 2. So these are the books, and if you open a random page, I'll do it for you here. See, if I open a random page, what will happen is, like, this is magic multiplication trick. So we have the detailed explanation of the tricks. And then we have so many video links. See, these are all video links. So if you start studying and you don't understand something here, you can watch the video. And then challenge zones are given so that you can practice all the questions. And after the chapter is over, the complete chapter, we have the detailed answer key so that you can verify your answer also. So this is a complete package of 2 volumes, and must for all the students. So I'll tell you more about this after I have decoded the logic for the magic squares. So now I'm going to take up this 5 by 5 magic square, and I'm going to show you how I can draw this without cramming this. Okay, so I'm going to take numbers from 1 to 25 because there are 25 blocks here, and I will always start with the center of the first row, that is here. I'll write 1 here, and in whichever cell I write the number, I'll mark this corner, that is right hand top corner of this cell, and put a 45-degree line like this. Every time you have to do this. Okay, wherever you write the number, you have to mark right hand top corner and then mark a 45-degree line moving towards the right. Okay, now this line takes me on top of this column, and this column I have to go to the last of the column, end of the column, and write the next number at the last cell. Okay, so I've written 2 here. Now mark the right hand top corner and draw a line like this, similar to this, and see what happens. This takes me into an empty cell. So the line is getting me into an empty cell. So I will write 3 here and then mark the right hand top corner, again draw the line. Now this line takes me adjacent to this row, and I have to go to the end of the row and write the next number in the last cell. Similarly, mark the line. This is empty, so 5. This corner, mark it. Now see what happens. When I have marked this line, it took me to a cell which is already filled. Now whenever you face this condition that the cell is already filled, then you have to write the next number below. That means below 5 I have to write 6. Remember, whenever you get trapped, you have to write the next number below the previous one. Now this takes me to an empty cell 7, empty cell 8. Now this line takes me to the end of this column, so 9. This line takes me to the row, so end of the row 10. This line takes me to a filled cell, so I am trapped now. So below 10 I will write 11, and then empty 12, empty 13, empty 14, empty 15. And now see what happens. This line, there is no column here and there is no row here. So again I am trapped. Whenever I am trapped, I will write the next number below the previous one. So this is 16, and then line. So this takes me to the row, and end of the row 17. Then column, end of the column 18. Then empty cell 19. Then another empty cell 20. Then filled cell, so I am trapped, come down 21. Then empty cell 22. Then row, end of the row 23. Then empty cell 24, and finally the column, end of the column 25. See, I didn't get trapped anywhere, and I managed to write all the numbers from 1 to 25. And believe it or not, this is a magic square in which the sum of the numbers 17 plus 24, 41 plus 9, 50 plus 15, 65. You check all the 5 rows, you check all the 5 columns, and you check the 2 diagonals. The sum of the 5 numbers will always be 65. Isn't that amazing, friends? Numbers are so amazing. When once you start understanding the logic, the magic is decoded. And so friends, you can actually try this at home and try a 7 by 7 magic square and surprise your friends. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends so that they can also enjoy the beauty of mathematics. And do not forget to send me a message for getting this copy of volume 1 and volume 2 of the speed maths so that you can excel in mathematics and you can be among top 1% people who crack the competitive exams, olympiads, in the first attempt and enjoy numbers. So friends, what is the way out? You have to send me a message on WhatsApp. 9896369963 is the WhatsApp number. Or for some reason, if you don't use WhatsApp or you don't trust online payments, then you can directly see the link given in the description of this video. That will take you to the Amazon website from where you can purchase safely. Fine friends, so I'll wait for your revert whether this trick is working for you or not, and do practice it. That's what is required. All the best.